Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Antu icon theme. So Antu icons, it's a reimagining of the Breeze icons. As you can see, it's a little bit more colorful, a little bit more uniform, and not so boring. But it can also work on any desktop environment. You don't have to be using KDE to enjoy it. Anyways, guys, to get it installed, you need to have Git on your system. So follow the link in the description to learn how to install Git. Once you have that installed, you can open up a terminal and clone the icon theme. So from here, we can do ls Antu icons. And we see all of the information for our icon theme is right here. And we can go and we can create a new folder called icons. And we can simply move it into the icon folder. Now, I did this for single user because I'm the only user on this computer. I don't really need to access the system-wide directory to make it available for multiple users. But if you do have that need, I also cover how to install it system-wide. So don't worry. Just check out the link in the description. Anyways, once we have it installed, we can open up our appearance settings and we can go ahead and apply our new icons. And I'm using XFCE, but you can use KDE if you want to use it that way. It doesn't really matter. The main thing is it really changes up the icons. It doesn't do it for every single one, just because icon themes are huge on Linux. There's a lot of programs you have to go over and change. But overall, it looks really nice. I think it looks pretty cool. I hope you guys like it too. Again, the Antu icon theme, it's going to be best on KDE, but it works on everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please check out the link in the description to learn how to get it working for your system, if this video wasn't enough. And also, in the article, I show you how to apply icons to every single desktop environment. We have that all covered, so if you don't know how to set up new icons, that is something you should check out too. Anyways, guys, I gotta get going, but I will see you in the next video.